Hey beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I've got my Chanel eye patch. Somewhat early morning, I'm just getting ready. I've got some new and amazing makeup product, and these patch, they've been on for about, I'm gonna say 10 minutes now. It's supposed to be on for 5 minutes, but I just did my eyebrows. So let's see, this was my eyes before. I still have poofy eyes this morning. They are an instant visible lift, supposed to make your eye looking super moisturized and plump and reduce the appearance of fine lines. I don't necessarily have a lot of fine lines. I do have a little bit of crow feet on the side, but nothing crazy. So then let's see. Well, to be honest, I can tell you the hydration is definitely on point. It really makes your skin looking plump and hydrated and smooth, like next level smooth. I was not really, when you use eye patch, usually it's like, if I come really close, like, it's looking really good. I feel like usually eye patch are a bit of a gimmick. They give you a little bit of hydration. Either it makes your makeup really patchy around your eye, or it's just, hydration. But I feel like it has really smoothened and hydrated and plumped the skin around my eyes. This is amazing. I think so. The packet has 10 pair of patches into it. It's by Le Lift, the collection Le Lift at Chanel. They were launched fairly recently, not like new now, but recently. I think, if there's 10 in the packet, you use them once, twice a week max. I don't think it's that crazy, paired with your makeup, your skincare routine. Yeah. Let's apply some foundation. I'm gonna let the eye area dry, but in the meantime, foundation, Dior Forever Skin Wear. I'm obsessed with this foundation. I think it gives you the most beautiful skin. It's matte, but it's not drying. I have the matte version here. I just love it. So now I've got a very big internal debate, and I think I need you to kind of weigh in into my decision. I've let my hair grow pretty much like my natural color, as you can see. It's a bit dark. I don't necessarily have gray hair. I probably have some, I just don't see them, which is a good thing because I would be plucking them out. But I am thinking, I don't know, I was just scrolling on my phone yesterday and I'm thinking of going back to being blonde. I just miss how it kind of brightens up my face. I don't know, what do you guys think? I mean, like some of you have been following me on my channel for quite some time now. I'm not sure, I think I just need some maybe inspiration. My husband is a big fan of me with blonde hair. I don't know, I think it's a guy thing maybe. What do you guys think? Does it suit me? But equally, I wouldn't go completely platinum blonde. It's just a matter of finding the right recipe, I guess. So yeah, let me know your thoughts. Look at this foundation. So I am mixing shade 1 neutral with 2.5 neutral, which is working pretty good for me. And wherever I've applied the patch, here, it is not muddy, it just applies beautifully. The skin is really hydrated. Obviously, they are not cheap, but I think they are working beautifully. Let's apply some concealer. Obviously, I'm using my Chanel Beige because, guys, I have become obsessed with it. There are a few really good concealer out at the moment, but this one is, for me, right now, is just what works the best. I kind of used 3 in rotation. So this one from Chanel Beige, the Chanel Ultra Le Teint, the new product is just equally as beautiful. A little bit the Charlotte Tilbury if I want to have a full-on, full glam, full look. And I know there's another one that I've been using, the Dior Skin Correct, because it's super creamy. So if I've done my tretinoid treatment the night before, which I usually do 3 times a week, I will go for something that is a little bit more rich and hydrating. Yeah, so that's kind of my concealer rotation at the moment. I do need to make another declutter in the makeup before we move. So I think this might actually be happening this weekend because we are moving on the 23rd of May and it's coming really, really fast. Yesterday I started the declutter in my wardrobes because I've got probably like 6 wardrobes full of clothes, and which of them I haven't worn in like 3 years. Since we left Dubai, there's clothes that I've never wore and I know I'm just not gonna wear. And you know, lifestyle has changed, work from home. I used to be going to the office, meeting with, you know, customers and ministers and officials, and so you need to have a different wardrobe. It's not the case anymore, so I don't need those clothes. It's just sitting there looking at me. I gave away, because I gave them to a charity, 2 full black bins. Just, it's way too much, and I think I can have another go as well. So I think I'm gonna do that this weekend as well. Let's add a little bit of bronzer, the cream bronzer, the new cream bronzer from Westman Atelier. I'm still on the fence with this bronzer. I like it, but I think I'm not sure if it's a must or no. Kind of debating a little bit. But I do like how it looks onto my skin. So I'm using now the lightest shade to kind of sculpt a little bit, and I think I've applied way too much. So sculpt, bronze at the same time. My eyes are really poofy once again, but if I judge by what some of you have said in my previous video where my eyes were poofy, I've had French fries with salt last night. It might just be the salt. And it was delicious. Me and baby girl had pizza with some French fries and obviously some veggies, and then I made vegan whipped cream with some strawberries. So my husband has been traveling now for 2 weeks, and it's the first time he's going for so long since he's been gone for this same amount of period when she was much younger. And I think, seriously, as it was much easier when she was younger. Now she's just like, she's not a tough kid, but you know, she's over 2 years old. She's a bit feral. And you know, it's been, I'm not going to say necessarily tough, but there's a lot of negotiation going on, and I think it's just I don't have literally a break. And I'm not trying, I don't want to be complaining, because I know we all have, you know, some of you might be single parenting, like everyone's got a different situation. But man, I wish I had my mom in the country next to me. But yeah, it's fine. Husband is coming back in a week's time, so what doesn't kill you makes you stronger, right? Right, I think this bronzer is actually growing onto me now that, you know, it's actually looking pretty good. I've powdered my face just a little bit, and while I finish my coffee, I'm not gonna do like a full crazy makeup. I'm going for my Pilates reformer class in about 2 hours. Baby girl's gonna go to the creche, and just, you know, like errands. But I absolutely love those new eyeshadow stick from Dior, the Dior Show Flash stick. I think I'm just gonna add more shades. I've got Beige, Mitzah, and Beige, Tulle. Exactly for what I need today. Just, they look good, they're very easy to apply, they're quick. I need to do something with my eyebrows. Just beautiful. I need to go in store. So the store that I have here, we have a Fenwick. If you live in the UK, you know what Fenwick is. It's a bit like a Macy's, and you know, or like in Canada, I guess. Not quite Ogilvy, because I think Ogilvy is closer to Harrods to a certain extent, but like maybe, I don't know, like Hudson's Bay, La Baie du Son, or something like that. Big department store. Anyway, so I'm quite lucky to have such, or like John Lewis. We have a John Lewis not too far. Yeah, I lost my train of thought. Yeah, I want to see the other shades because I really like these two shades because I know they're like a safe bet. There's one that looks like a little bit more like a burgundy shade. I am scared that it's maybe a little bit too red. So I would like to see them and swatch them in real. And then with the lightest shade, the Beige Tulle. I'm just gonna come here. Almost finished with the makeup. I'm going to apply a little bit of blush. This is not new, but this is really, really pretty. It is the Armani Luminous Silk Blush. And I have shade 52. It's the Glow Blush. Shelf life is 24 months. I think that's pretty good. And it's a beautiful shade of pink, like a fresh pink. Speaking of mascara, I have been using the new mascara Les Beige, the tubing mascara. Oh my god, guys. I've always stayed away from tubing mascara. I always found them to be completely useless and just giving me like a little branch of eyelashes instead of coating them really nicely. And this new mascara at Chanel, seriously, I have been using it every day. I love how it's easy to apply, extremely easy to remove. You don't need makeup remover. It just really coats your eye. I mean, look at this. It coats your eyelashes, it gives you length and volume, and it really separates your eyelash. It is beautiful. I know it's available everywhere now. Honestly, guys, go try it. It's, as far as a tubing mascara goes, I think it's definitely probably one of the best around. We need a little bit of highlighter, so let's go with the new Dior highlighter because it is very pretty. I'm looking for my brush. Let's go with this beautiful Dior highlighter. Oh my god, speaking of Dior, the new Rosy Backstage collection coming out with the glow stick and the blush and the lip butter. I mean, Dior is just on fire, man. I'm like, take my money. I'm about to just write them a blank check and just, you know, send me all the new collection. I cannot wait. I'll definitely pick up a few one of them to review them, especially the blushes. I say that I have so many blushes. There's no way I can use all of them. You know what? It doesn't matter. Just take my money. Look at this blush. The blush. Look at the glow from the highlighter. I really like this one because it's so soft. It's so subtle. And it's not, you know, huge chunks of glitter. And I think we need lipsticks and we are good to go. Lipstick, I'm gonna go with my Westman Atelier Hydra Balm in the shade Nectar. And it has been chewed by baby girl. I don't know if she's chewed or just decided to play with it and wear some. And this shade is just, it's so beautiful. Oh, I like this. It's so pretty. Right now, I promised that I was going to show you what I purchased the other day at Marks & Spencer. So let me show you my mini Marks & Spencer haul. So as promised, this is the one of the kit that I got at Marks & Spencer in my haul I did. It's kind of like comfy, but elevated comfy. So if I come really close, if I come closer, you'll see here, and you have the same at the back on the top. And what I really like, the top has pockets, and the short, obviously it's a matching kit. The shorts are the same, they have pockets as well. And I was thinking, pair this with this absolutely beautiful limited edition pouch from Dior for the summer collection. It just looks cute, it's elevated, and I would pair it with my Hermès sandal in the tan shade. I think it's going to be perfect. And you can wear just like a little light tank top underneath. So when it's a little bit too hot outside, you just take the sweater off, put it onto your shoulders. If you're going for a walk, coffee, it's like the perfect ensemble. It's gorgeous, it's so comfy. And as reference, I am 5'6" and I'm about 49 kilos, so the top is a small, Bottom is size 8 UK, so I guess that's the 34 waist. I also got this new sweater. It says Club d'été. I'm such a big lover and fan of those sweaters. Again, super soft on the inside. I kept the same shorts. You can pair it with a white short, a jean short, a green short. You know, you have so many options. Super comfortable, size small again, but it's very loose. I just feel like it's kind of Hamptons vacations. I don't know, it's got something really cool about it. And you can dress this thing up. You know, you can wear it with elevated shorts, like something that has more of a tighter fit on the bottom, or really nice dress up jeans with high heels, and you're really elevating your look. Very comfortable. And also I am rocking, embracing the curly hair today. I've let my hair air dry. Obviously everything will be linked down below for your convenience. This is what I was wearing earlier this morning. I just love to wear these. The last kit I have is more of a sporty kit. So you've got the shorts that have zipped pockets and little toggles on the side that have a nice little lycra shorts underneath. It looks pretty good. I love the color and the top. So it's a matching set as well. Very comfortable. Just, you know, like you're going for Pilates or yoga class, or even just your normal routine errands, you're going for coffee right after. I think it's the perfect set. It looks really good. It's comfortable. You can dress it up a little bit. Again, size 8 in the shorts, and the top I went really loose and puffy. It's a size 16, but I like to wear my top quite loose. So that's personal preference, but you know, up to you. Otherwise, it's kind of a tighter fit, but I wanted something very large onto me. And I love this kind of color. It's kind of a purple taupe shade. Really like this. And I went to the gym with this kit. The shorts don't roll up. They really stay in place. They are a great fit. Oh, and I have not talked to you about the new perfume. I think I found my summer fragrance. So the Beach Blossom perfume was launched last year in 2025. It's a limited edition, and it's so popular that it is available again this year for the summertime. It's got note of lime, mint. It's got coconut smell into it as well, with vanilla. It's like you are traveling to a tropical place on a beach. It's meant to be, it's inspired by the tropical beach of the Seychelles. And that's where we got married. So when I smelled the perfume, I was like, oh my God, it makes you travel. It's so fresh and round and full of sunshine. I don't know how to explain it. It's like, it's a proper experience, and I find it so pleasant to wear. I have been wearing it since last week every single day. It does last actually quite long onto my skin anyway. Obviously, it depends of the pH of your skin. There's so many factors when it comes down to the longevity of a perfume. But onto me, I find it to stay really nicely onto my skin. I don't know. I think that's my summer scent. I'm so happy I found it. I might actually purchase another bottle because it is a limited edition. I'll make sure all the details are down below in the description for your convenience anyway. And that is it for me on today's video. I think I might go to the race. So I live nearby the racecourse, So I think I'm just gonna put baby girl in the pram, and we're gonna mosey over to go watch the race. Right, that is it for me on today's video, guys. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you at the next video. Bye, guys.